Y'all, I have gotten addicted to wearing nasal strips, and I've been using a different kind for a long time. I saw these and thought I would give them a try, so I ordered them. Last night was my first night getting them out, and I was not expecting much at all. They seemed a little flimsy to me. You just peel the back off like this, and this part's sticky, and then you put it on your nose, press it down on this side after you wipe your nose off, press it down on this side, and you let go of it, and it pulls your nose open so you can breathe. Your nasal passage is open. These were great, okay? I guess the only thing I didn't like about it is they are black, they are dark. The other ones that I use are clear, but they're wider. I like these. I like these a lot. 60 of them come in this. Go get you some.